Welcome to the Canadian School of Natural Nutrition's Healthy Eating and Lifestyle Certificate Workshops. My name is Nair, and today I will be sharing with you a little sneak peek of what this incredible 10-week workshop series is all about. Our immune system is the protective force against all the germs and bacteria we encounter on a day-to-day basis. So it's really important that we support this system in any way we can. Eating whole foods that are nutrient dense is just the way to do that. In this workshop series, we will explore the topics of vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients to find out just how the foods we eat can actually make a beneficial impact to our overall health and optimize our immune functions in every way.